Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at Beryl Cooper's puzzle box. This puzzle was designed by Joseph Cowell. It has difficulty level 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the object of the puzzle is to find the missing sign inside the barrel. This is a 3D printed puzzle and it is a very well 3D printed puzzle. The quality is just top notch. All the lines, all the layers are so tight that I don't know if I saw a better quality puzzle so far. This puzzle comes with a little stand where you can put a barrel when you are not solving the puzzle. If you take a closer look at the box itself, you will find that it is made of two colors, black and this kind of a little bit orange or yellow parts in the middle. You can rotate all black pieces. You can rotate a little bit the yellow parts as well. There is a small cork right on top of the barrel which you can move a little bit, and there is another part right here which you can move sometimes a little bit, and it looks like you have to find some kind of a tool to unscrew this part or to open it. The puzzle box, the Beryl Cooper's puzzle box, is a sequential discovery puzzle box, so you have to use some of the parts of the box in order to open the other parts of the box. If you listen, you will hear that there is a lot going on inside, since there are a lot of different things that you can remove when you will be opening the box. As I told you, it has two compartments, and once you find the first one, that's not going to be the end, since you still have to keep looking for the second one where the missing sign will be hidden, and then you have to put the sign right here on the side of the barrel. And when it will be solved, the sign will say solved, and you can put it like this with the solved sign on your puzzle shelf. If you like the Beryl Cooper's puzzle box and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.